today we are doing a quick wig install and makeup, so stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. So I'm installing the wig before the makeup. I'm not using glue to lay down the lace. I'm making use of just the spray. So I'm trying to lay down the lace very well before cutting the excess in front for the baby hair. So before that, I have to make sure that the lace is in place before cutting the hair in front for the baby hair. After cutting the excess in front for the edges, apply any styling gel you have, any gel of your choice. Just make sure the baby hair lay in place for easy styling. I don't really know how to do the edges of the baby hair, but I'm managing to create something there, something nice and presentable. So yeah, if you don't know how to do it, watch videos on how to do proper baby hairs or edges. I don't really know how to do so. Pardon me if it's not really coming out like expected. I'm trying my best to lay these edges down, and this thing is trying to disturb me. Gosh, it was really getting on my nerves, but I managed to pull it out. My face is really hairy. I managed to shave my face, but the place I'm laying the hair down isn't the place I want to shave. I want the hair there. It's nice for me. I don't know about you, but some people actually shave that place off, but I don't like it. I don't like to shave that place off. So whenever I'm laying my frontal wig, I make sure I use that place as a baby hair. I lay it down like a baby hair. So if you want to shave yours, it's fine, you can do that, but I've never done it before and I don't intend shaving that place, so I just lay that place down as part of the baby hair. So I'm still trying to lay down this baby hair. It's really difficult for me. So after properly laying everything down, spray got to be free spray on it, and then tie it down with any band that you have, any melting band that you have. Then you leave it and go ahead and start the makeup. So I'm prepping my face for the makeup. I'm applying some Pond's oil control, and after that going ahead to apply the foundation on my face. Make sure you use your shade. Don't go for any lighter shade. If you go for lighter shade, make sure you blend in well and use the right makeup product. Otherwise, at the end of the day, you know the mistake you did. You mess everything up. So blend well. Make sure you really blend in your product. Anytime you're applying foundation, the only trick to having a flawless makeup is to blend everything in. Blend till you feel that the foundation is not piled up on your face. So blend in till the product is all out of the face. Now the next thing is to conceal your under eye, below your jawline and your forehead, just to highlight those places. That's just the major reason why we do the concealing, to highlight those places, cover up any dark eye circle and all that.
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
Oh.